Getting started. Welcome to the ANSYS Inventory, the first inventory management system designed specifically for the used electronics industry. In this video, we will cover setting up your account so you can easily start managing your inventory. When you've got your login and password, go to ansystools.com and sign in with the credentials you've received in your email. Then choose Inventory. This is your inventory management system account, and it looks empty. Let's configure it. The first step is to enter your company's data. To do this, go to the Management section and click on Your Company Data. In this section, you should enter all the information about your company. This will speed up the process of filling out documents later. After that, you should create your first warehouse and location. To do this, go to the User Management section and click on the Warehouses tab. In this section, you can create a warehouse and name it. If you have a big warehouse with many sections in it, the Locations feature will be helpful. For example, you might have a Repair section with devices that need to be restored, a Repaired section with repaired devices, or an Accessories section with items like cases. To create a location, press the Add Location button. Choose the warehouse that houses the location from the drop-down list and name it. Then press the Save button. The next step is to fill up your catalogs. Go to the Management section and click Catalogs. Catalogs contain lists of information you will use frequently, such as device grades, product categories, reasons for returns, and more. You won't need to enter this data manually every time you're managing your inventory if your catalogs are complete, which will speed up your working process. Finally, you need to create your price list. To do this, go to the Warehouse section and click Price List, Goods. To add a product, press the Add Product button. Fill in all applicable fields for this product. You will have to specify the manufacturer and model, but the other fields, like storage and color, are optional. Activate Need Grades, if applicable, and specify prices for each grade. Otherwise, just enter the goods price. When you finish entering all the product data, press the Save button. Congratulations! You are now ready to use ANSYS Inventory. Your next step is to fill your warehouse with goods. Learn how to receive items one by one, or by importing them from an Excel spreadsheet in these videos.